Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to replace your regular bulb with an LED bulb. We're going to do reverse lights. We're going to take those out and replace them with LEDs. You can get an LED in just about any bulb you want. So if you want a brake light, turn signal, headlights, I know they make, interior lights, all that stuff, they make those also. And before you get started, you want to know what bulb you have in there first. You can either take it apart and look at the bulb number on there, or you can go to your favorite auto parts store or something and they'll look it up for you. You can look online also, depending on what location you want to replace. It'll give you a bulb number, and then you can cross-reference to your LED number that will work for that. So this particular model, you pop this hatch, there's going to be bolts in here, and then the light's going to pop out. A lot of tail lights do that same type of style. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to pull these bolts out here, this one, and then there'll be little rubber grommets on this side of the light holding it in. So you'll just pull the light straight out. It'll be kind of snug in there. Kind of just gotta work it out. There we go. And we're gonna do the reverse light, so you gotta make sure you get to the right one, correct one. It's gonna be this bottom one here, and this style is just gonna be a little twist. Pull it out. Here's our bulb right here. You're gonna remove that one. And then double check your number on there also. I know that I need a 3157, and there it is right there. That. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of dielectric grease in there before we put our new LED bulb. Just a little squirt on the contact there. And then here's your LED bulb. And I'm wearing little rubber gloves. LEDs, it's not like halogen lights. Doesn't matter if you touch the element, but just in case, you know, protective. I don't get any greases on there. There's the bulb there. Get all those LEDs in there. Okay. And depending on your style LED you get, it will matter which way you put it in. You put it in one way, then you want to check the operation because it might not work. And if it doesn't, you need to pull it back apart, flip it around the other way. So we're just going to try this, see if it works this way. Okay, so we just tested it. So before we go assembling it, we know that it works. So we got it in the correct direction. And then we just drop it in there, twist and lock, turn it until it... Not too hard. It's not going to snap like a gas cap, but it just stops turning. Then reassemble. Make sure you get those plugs in there over here lined up. There we go. Right there. And then just push it back in. There you go. Your little pop, and it pops in there. You install your bolts and you're good, and then do the same thing for the other side.